Oh my God, listeners, you won't believe the seismic shifts happening in the global construction industry right now. What I'm about to reveal could define the next decade for investors like you. Grab your coffee, your notebook, or maybe just hold on tight. Because these trends, they're monumental. Let's kick things off with the US. The American construction sector is facing a labor market at a crossroads, and not in a good way. Construction job vacancies have plummeted from 413,000 last year to just 249,000 today. That's a 40% drop, folks. And if you think the news stops there, think again. By 2035, 40% of the current workforce is heading for retirement. That's almost half the industry's backbone, gone. For investors, this isn't just a warning. It's a glaring neon sign. Automation, tech, workforce upskilling. These are the magic words if you're betting on construction in America. Now, let's hop over the Atlantic to Europe, where things are looking sobering. Western Europe's construction market is set to contract by 2% in 2024. Yeah, you heard that right. Contraction. But wait till you hear about Romania, the microcosm of every economic challenge we're watching. Inflation, climbing interest rates, soaring construction costs. Romania's industry will shrink by 2.7% next year. Yet here's the plot twist. From 2025 to 2028, it's poised for a roaring comeback, with an average growth rate of 3.7%, thanks to heavy investments in renewable energy and infrastructure projects. Translation for investors: short-term pain, long-term gain. Eyes on green energy and housing projects. Shifting to Asia, China continues to be the heavyweight in the room, but don't get too comfortable. The ongoing property crisis has wreaked havoc. Global steel prices have hit rock-bottom levels not seen since 2016. Yet paradoxically, China's construction sector is expected to grow by 4% in 2024, single-handedly driving a huge chunk of global growth. The window of opportunity: precious metals, infrastructure, and any rebound in urban housing demand. If China sneezes, the world still catches a cold, but here, it looks like some markets will catch opportunity instead. Now, South Korea and Japan didn't give us too much data to chew on, but the overarching pattern is crystal clear. Asia's emerging markets are projected to grow at 3.9% in 2024, and we all know what that means. Korea and Japan, while currently mysterious in the numbers game, are riding a regional growth wave you'd be foolish to overlook. Eyes open, wallets ready. And don't think I forgot my big-picture thinkers. Renewable energy is the gold rush of this decade, no matter which region you analyze. Whether it's building wind farms in South Africa or solar cities in Eastern Europe, the world is pouring cash into green infrastructure. For investors, this is the cue: construction stocks tied to renewables, worth your weight in gold, sustainable materials, even better. Oh, and before we go, let me scream this from the rooftops. Sustainability in construction isn't just a buzzword, it's the master key. Low-carbon materials, energy-efficient designs, and eco-friendly renovations are not optional anymore. Investors, the message is clear: innovate or you'll evaporate. So there it is, listeners. Labor crises, economic hurdles, green revolutions. This isn't just analysis, it's a playbook for your next investment move. As always, research wisely, act boldly, and keep coming back for the real talk you need. Until next time, stay sharp, stay invested, and remember, the future belongs to the well-prepared. Cheers.